Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to talk about how to trade the Asian session on gold. Now a lot of people may avoid trading the Asian session just because there's lack of volume, or maybe it's ranging, it's hard to find direction, or maybe the spread is too big. Now this could be all true, and I used to hate trading the Asian session as well because I get a lot of fake outs and I just didn't know how to trade it. But after figuring out this strategy and backtesting many months, and also on my live accounts, I was able to trade over 80% win rate. And I want to show you that secret. And I call this the Asian session bullet train. Why did I call this? It's just because of this time frame right here, this magical time frame that you can observe an increase in volume. And this is how we want to trade it. So here's the criteria. First, you want to wait for 2 to 3 hours into the Asian session. Then you want to look for a mini support or resistance to form. You want to see a flip, and then we want to get in with 10 plus pips. So on my chart, you can see a blue line that is 10:30, and I'm in Korea, and that's around 2 hours and 30 minutes into the Asian session. So I marked this up 10:30, and you can see price is trending upwards. And as it trends upward, it hits our resistance here, or even a mini resistance in form, and then we have a mini liquidity grab, and then we have this change in direction. Now if we get in on this sell trade on gold, that will be roughly 30 pips, right? So that is our first example. Very easy. Of course, if you have other confluences, you can increase your probability. Here is another example. Price is trending downwards at 10:30 mark. We can see that support formed, and then the price changes direction upwards. And if you got in here, that is roughly 28 pips, and if you trailed stop, that will be 121 pips. Another example here, just going backwards, we can see 10:30 mark, support is formed here, and then if we just got in with the sniper entry, that would have been almost 40 pips. Now, even 10 pips in, if you put your stops at break even, it's basically a risk-free trade. If it comes back to your stop loss, it doesn't really matter. We just want to get in, get out, get our pips. So here's again, 10:30. We can see that a support is formed, and then we can see this trend change. And that is roughly 28 pips. Here again, we see that price trends upward, resistance is forming, and then we have a trend change as well. Okay, and as it comes down, you can actually take another trade up as well. And again, look at the time frame, around 10:30, 10:35. Here we have around 10:30 over here, but look at around 10:15, we have this same behavior. Price went down and then changes direction. At 10 o'clock over here, we can see how the candle is forming. The bullish momentum decreases. We have long wicks, and then we have this change in direction, right? So you can take this trade up, and still it's within our time frame. And you can see during this time we have larger bars as well, means more volume in the marketplace. So over here, 10:30, it just trends downwards. Now if you're unsure, you can stay out, but look at how the price is trending downwards, and then we have a mini support forming at 11, and you can take this trade up. So over here we can see that a resistance is forming at 10, and then we can take this sell trade down. And here's an example. If it's ranging like this and you have no confluence to tell you which direction it's going, then it's better to stay out of the market. All right, so here's another example, 10:30, but look at around 10 o'clock, we can see a support is forming. You can take this trade up, or wait until you see this resistance form and take this trade down. So those are just quick examples I want to show you that around this time you can actually look for entry, and make sure you have other confluence in place to have higher probability in trading the Asian session. Again, that is 2 to 3 hours into the Asian session, and I call this the Asian session bullet train. So far, just a quick update on my trades this month. We are getting a really good month actually. We have 29 wins, 1 loss, 6 break even. So that's around 97% win rate for the trades that I had called out in my Discord group. So if you're not in my Discord group, there is a link in the description. You can go ahead and join my free Discord group and we can discuss about trading. And if you have any questions, you can definitely post in my Discord group or in the comment below. If there's any videos you want to watch, I can definitely record it for you. In my Discord group, I provide signals or weekly analysis as well. So here is a free weekly analysis that I posted earlier last week, and then it played out perfectly because if you can see that, going back to my trading view chart. So here's a quick prediction I posted in the group last week. Basically, I said the price is going to trend downward and the news is most likely going to wick down before it goes back up. And once the price is in our point of interest, we can go ahead and take a sell trade. And this played out perfectly, right? So that's just something I post in a group from week to week. If you want to follow me in my Discord group, just go ahead and join with the link below in my description. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to record more of my strategies in my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe, like, and also comment on what you like to see in my future videos as well. So go ahead, backtest this, take a look at it yourself, see if it will work for you, and let me know. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.